Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 73 of the Building and Public series. Today, we're going to basically dive into Cursor again, but this time it's pretty interesting. We basically showcase the magic of Cursor and sort of what one prompt can do. You'll notice that with this prompt, and it's basically the start of the video, where essentially we have a part of a website that doesn't function properly, I think is the word for it. And literally with cursor, one prompt basically changes it entirely. And that's one of the reasons why I'm bringing out this video to you today, because this was actually meant to be my work today, like during this episode. But literally, with the power of cursor, we managed to actually get the application, working, getting it up and running. And yeah, pretty much what I wanted to showcase to you today was that session, was just showing you the power of cursor, showing you how like awesome it is to work with and stuff. And yeah, obviously, I haven't got much else planned for this episode today. I may as well showcase this and then hop on with more of the stuff that I've got to, got to work on today and stuff. So, yeah, without further ado, let's hop in and start the video. Now, this setup that I've got here, it's a little bit different. I'm just trying to, work between recording softwares and stuff. But yeah, as you can see here, the application that I'm working on is the skip tracker. I was working on this a few days ago, and essentially what you're seeing here now is the current version of the skip tracker before the changes. You can see here that it wasn't working on desktops for some reason, just wasn't loading at all. And yeah, literally with the power of cursor, what you're going to see now is literally one prompt, and it's literally going to fix the whole thing entirely. You can see there, it's pretty much a dead application, right? Like it's not working for some reason. You can see here, I start doing some things with cursor. I give it the HTML of the application. I ask it to review it, and then it literally spits out the working application just like that. It's crazy how good cursor can be in these instances. And you'll see here now, as soon as I load it, boom, the application just works. Now, if you remember from a few episodes ago, the problem with this application was that the pins weren't working. And literally, cursor within one or two prompts just starts working again. It's wild, right? And I thought it would just be quite nice to showcase this session, to really show you what we're doing essentially when it comes to cursor and the apps that we're building and stuff. And yeah, I think honestly, cursor is going to be something that we're going to continue to use because again, it's just really cool and it helps build things out so much quicker. Like don't get me wrong, when I was starting this with the client during that time, it did take me a while to get things started to like really build it out. But now with Cursor, with all the prompts that we've given it and stuff, I'm assuming it's learned like the way of the application. I'm assuming, and yeah, pretty much that's what you're going to see for the rest of the session now is us just going through cursor, us trying a few different things and working it out. But yeah, anyway, guys, for now, I thought I may as well leave that, leave you with that for now. Yeah, if you like this video, if you like this style of content, with me flipping between the desktop and the full screen, let me know. But yeah, that should be all for episode 73 for now, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow for episode 74. Bye for now. Hello, everyone. Yes, so that's the new style of intro that we're looking to implement at the moment. Pretty cool, right? How we can switch between recording softwares and stuff. But yeah, pretty much what I'm showcasing you now for the rest of this episode is us just doing the design work, us implementing some changes. And I suppose this right here is the somewhat the downfall of Cursor, right? When you get to things working. What I noticed during the end of this session was that with cursor specifically, if you want to revert changes back to like a nice working example, it has a hard time trying to sort that out because you can see there now what we've got there with that select sheet and everything. I didn't realize it at the time, but that for me was one of the better design choices that it could have come up with. And you can see here when I go through the whole process with it, when I try to give it a new style to follow, it just for some reason can't follow it through. And again, I think this is the one of the downfalls of AI slightly, is that it doesn't really understand what you're looking for, right? And again, this happens, right? But this is, our experience with Cursor. This is what we found out, and this is what we're still learning with it. Because again, Cursor for us is still a new tool, but it's still a very cool tool, right? Because it saved us so much more time, uh, you know, doing it this way rather than doing it manually. That like this is why you need to integrate with AI and work with AI because it just makes things so much quicker. And yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going to leave you there now for the second time. I'm going to let you see the rest of the session, and I'll see you tomorrow for episode 73. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.